little Oliver used to catch the wind in a glass jar. Gentle, cool, and fragrant. He guarded it carefully. When drought came and flowers wilted, Oliver opened the jar and released the wind to cool the fields. He realized everything becomes more beautiful when shared. Moral: don't keep beauty only for yourself. Share it,